The FDA says it'll grant emergency use authorization for a booster dose of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine. That booster will be available for people 65 and older, as well as those in high risk of exposure jobs. Newswell's Brian Armstrong spoke to a Chattanooga pulmonologist to find out why the third shot is so effective.
Just like myself, I've received a booster. I don't do anything that I don't recommend to my patients. If you fall in the categories for a third shot, we advocate that.
The FDA granted emergency use of Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine booster for 65 and older, as well as those in high-risk jobs. The first 2 doses of the Pfizer COVID vaccine is already FDA approved for 16 and older. Pulmonologist Dr. Michael Zarnecki says the third dose is meant to target those at risk during a breakthrough case.
A high-risk employed person that is actively working with known positive COVID patients, you should get a third shot as well.
Dr. Zarnecki says the third dose will increase the vaccine's efficacy and should be taken 6 months after the second dose.
There's a tremendous difference in that third shot that will gives the instructions to the immune system one more time. And I'm going to tell them, hey, let's make some more, but we can make it a lot faster now because I already know what I'm exposed to. But I really don't like this thing. And I'm going to refine the process so that the antibodies can now not just attack this variant, but is able to handle other variants as well.
He says it's best to call it a third shot rather than a booster, and it is the same vaccine as the previous 2 doses. If you haven't received any COVID vaccine, he stresses the importance of getting the vaccination.
Compassion is running thin for a lot of providers because we see the same thing over and over again. So we want to encourage everyone to get vaccinated so your quality of life is less impacted and you stay healthy.
Brian Armstrong, News 12 Now.